It's Jess from Sallie Tomato, and we are already on day 21 of unboxing our Advent box. So you're going to look for this brown envelope, and it says, "It's sewing season. During the winter, most of us cozy up to our sewing machines. We thought you could use some extra supplies to make it through these cold days and your list of projects. So enjoy this bag of goodies, and there's a coupon code on here for 20% off notions or fresh cut interfacing. So this coupon can be used through January 31st, 2023 at checkout. So stay warm and happy stitching. Your friends at Sallie Tomato." So let's open up and see what goodies are inside. All right, so some Sallie Tomato washi tape. This is great for holding pockets, holding zippers, hardware out of the way, all kinds of uses. And so you can keep this in your sewing room. So that's the Sallie Tomato washi tape that you get. And then you also get a needle, so a universal size 80-12. This is a very popular size for bag making and general all-purpose sewing for different types of materials and thicknesses. So just a couple little goodies and then a special little coupon code for you to use. I hope you enjoyed this gift today, and tomorrow I'll see you for day 22.